what's happening. I know I said maybe I'd film some of this, and I kind of forgot. I was sitting here doing this stuff, so here's where I'm at right now. Be nice. It's my first radio, but I'm just kind of taking my time, replacing caps, trying to keep it neat. I'd like to put a little shrink wrap on that leg. Maybe I'll take it back off and do that. But I guess I'm like halfway over the chassis, which is quite a bit because there's not too many left. We got what, 1, 2, 3, 4 capacitors left that I want to replace for sure, and then we'll see. Like I said, I don't really think I'm gonna mess with the mica capacitors because, like I say, they usually don't go bad. But I'm gonna put an inline fuse in it. For now, I was gonna, put a nice little fuse holder on the chassis, but I really don't want to modify the chassis right now. So I'm just gonna probably put an inline fuse and kind of just set it in here in this area, out of the way, so it's in there. Shouldn't be blowing fuses, but if I do, of course you got to pull the chassis out in order to do it. So maybe later on I'll add an inline fuse somewhere on the side of the chassis or something like that, just so it make it easier. But again, if you're blowing fuses, it's probably kind of a problem. So yeah, that's where I'm at for now, and I will, once I get this done, I'll update you guys on where I'm going. The next one I'm replacing is an old 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Got a bag of them here somewhere. There they are. All the old caps, which is interesting because I mean the new ones are so much smaller. I know you guys have seen this kind of stuff before, but it's interesting. Anyway, see you in a bit. Alright, let me turn Brad off.
Grid stopper.
So, take it easy on me. It's my first radio. And I'll be damned if I'm one capacitor short of finishing this up. But there's a couple of little things I'd like to dress up in here. I don't really like that leg being off of there like that. I could shorten that up, and I'd like to put a little shrink wrap on that, which I'll probably go back and do just to kind of protect that. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I was able to clean up that ground a little bit. But I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I mean, it's neat. But I'm one microfarad, 0.1 microfarad capacitor short. I can't believe it, and I can't believe I don't have one either. I mean, I know I've got one somewhere, but I'm looking at here. I just recently organized these boxes, and now I can't find anything. And I know I've got at least a couple 0.1 microfarad capacitors somewhere around here. Those are the ones I just ordered. But the good news is I'm making new friends, so I won't be needing you guys anymore anyway. No, I'm actually making new friends in the radio. There's a guy right down the road from me that does radio stuff, so I can go get a capacitor from him on Monday. Unfortunately, it's Saturday, so like nothing I can do now. There's all the old ones. Pretty interesting. All those big giant capacitors, and now we're down to all this stuff, Pretty cool. And stuff just looks neater, I think. Looks clean. But I guess back in the day, these probably looked nice and clean too, Anyway, that's what I got for you. Unfortunately, I cannot fire this up right now because I was going to fire it up, to see what's happening. Good news is also that when I go pick up this capacitor, this is the guy that has a tube tester, so I can take the tubes with me and test the tubes while I'm over there. But, like I said, going to have to wait till Monday now. So, anyway, that's all I got for you guys right now. Peace out.